For many people, purchasing a Tesla is a dream come true. The car is stunning, enjoyable to drive, and the purest form of EV perfection available today. The only issue is that vehicles like Teslas frequently come with many extra expenses. Still, if you want to drive away in one of these stunning luxury EVs, be prepared to spend a lot of money up front. You want to know what additional expenses you'll incur while owning your Tesla? Well, that's exactly what we are going to discuss now. Here are a few of the 18 significant expenses you should budget for. These are a collection of first-person accounts provided by various Tesla owners. Let's go! Installation of a charger. Ultimately, a high-end, cutting-edge charger might set you back more than $1,000. Being fired would be disastrous even without losing your only source of a charger. They won't clarify this on the website, but an electric car charger can be expensive. Even if you plan to use a charging station in public or one available at your place of employment, I would still suggest installing a charger. Only have a professional install anything faster than a level 1 charger to prevent your home from catching fire. Installation might also call for an electrician's help, depending on the charger you buy. For a less expensive charger, you're most likely only looking at a few $100s. Utilizing a Tesla supercharger. Tesla's supercharging stations aren't free, as you may not be aware. You ought to reserve its use for urgent situations, in my opinion. Per kilowatt of electricity from one of these stations, you are charged about 25 cents. Accordingly, recharging to a 250-mile range will cost about $20, and 150 miles will only cost you half as much. It would help if you didn't make it a habit, because it quickly reduces the life of your battery. However, I should note that supercharging your car is typically a bad idea. Small service charges. A Tesla needs maintenance because it's a vehicle. Electric vehicle owners frequently emphasize how advantageous it is that their vehicles don't require frequent maintenance. However, you must still factor in the extra servicing expenses. You can anticipate servicing your Tesla every 2 to 3 years. These consultations will set you back a few $100s. Repair prices in real terms. You must see a Tesla-certified technician for repairs other than those to the windows and bodywork. Additionally, remember that repairs might be necessary once in a while. A Tesla can be difficult to work on in terms of repairs. A diesel mechanic can't just open up your Tesla and start working on it. As a result of their specialized training needs, finding one of these mechanics is more expensive and difficult. Due to this minor restriction, a straightforward Tesla repair could easily cost twice as much. For repairs, you must consult a professional. Similarly, you most likely won't be able to complete most of these repairs by yourself. Many auto enthusiasts don't even have a budget for auto repairs because they handle everything themselves. You must account for repair costs when purchasing a Tesla. Remember that even the most reliable mechanic will charge a lot for repair work. That is how they continue to operate. Premium components entail premium costs. To make matters worse, remember that Tesla is a manufacturer of high-end automobiles. Mechanics charge more because luxury cars use expensive parts. It explains why some individuals will never own a BMW. Repairing and replacing parts get more expensive the nicer the car is. When you consider what the repair costs for Tesla will be, you can toss out the repair costs for your dependable and reasonably priced Camry. Additional features may be very expensive. Different Tesla models have different rates. Because of the additional features, a range is even present. The more attributes you add to your car, the more expensive it gets, so this may not be a hidden cost. This holds for both the initial price and the ongoing cost of keeping the car. A fancy, expensive watch may seem like a fantastic idea till you have to repair or maintain it. Do not ignore insurance. Don't overlook insurance when you're doing the math to purchase your Tesla. Tesla insurance premiums are typically 40% more than the national average. That's a substantial amount. It comes to about $2,215 a year. Adding more coverages will, of course, increase the cost of your insurance. However, this idea makes sense. Because your insurance company needs to turn a profit, they insure expensive to repair vehicles. The relatively cheap fuel prices. The average fuel price for a Tesla 3 is 3.6 cents per mile. Electricity is relatively cheap in the US, so driving an electric vehicle, or EV, is a great way to reduce fuel expenses. If you drive 20 miles daily, 5 days per week, you can expect to pay about $3.60 for electricity. Therefore, you need to budget for the price of fuel. It is still a Tesla hidden cost, however. Your gas-powered car's fuel costs won't even come close to matching this amount. Tesla will be linked to your home's electrical grid by the car charger you use. Premium subscription for connectivity. Some of Tesla's features require a monthly subscription fee to use them. Crazy, huh? What exactly does this premium connectivity package include? Internet browser with live traffic visualization, space-based maps, karaoke, and online streaming. The navigation package is the only free standard connectivity feature a Tesla offers. Fees for inspection and registration. The registration fee usually only needs to be paid once when you buy the title. Another inescapable cost of car ownership is the inspection and registration fees. The frequency of inspection fees varies depending on the state in which you reside. Depending on the state and how your car is financed, you might have to pay a registration fee every year. It comes down to your car's standard safety features, like your lights, tires, sensors, and horn. It will go through a thorough inspection to determine whether your car can be driven safely on the road. The lifespan of the motor and battery. With the proper precautions and a well-built engine, a gas-powered one can last indefinitely. Remember that your car's brain and heart are these two components. The battery and motor of an electric vehicle, EV, have a predicted lifespan, unlike the engine of a gas-powered vehicle. According to Consumer Reports, an EV's battery will eventually fail after 200,000 miles, and the motor will follow suit after 400,000. However, they will last longer than a car that runs on gas. Its battery life decreases with increased usage. Cleanup, rinsing, and detailing. You cannot ignore this hidden cost even though it isn't unique to Tesla. Your car will last longer if you regularly wash, clean, and detail it. The least you can do is make the car last longer after spending $60,000 on it. You need to start with the right car care products if you're serious about keeping your car clean. You can enroll in a monthly program at your nearby car wash if you want to save time and don't mind paying. Ensure that the car is washed or detailed by hand and not exclusively by a car wash machine. Modifications and accessories were added. You might be tempted to modify and add accessories to a car if you want it to feel more unique. Window deflectors, a wrap, and window tinting are a few items that can completely change your car's appearance. Weather-resistant ground liners can also safeguard your interior and improve the aesthetics of your vehicle. The list of small additions that improve the appearance of your Tesla is endless. The winter tires Tesla uses. Consider purchasing some nice winter tires if you reside in the chilly northern region of America. This additional expense becomes necessary if there is a lot of snow in your region. Although snow tires may seem pricey, they're significantly less expensive than the repair costs incurred by rotating out into a dump or tree. Costs of collision repair. Your Tesla's repair bill will be much higher than you anticipate after a collision. One is that it has an aluminum frame instead of a steel one, which is more difficult and expensive to repair. Moreover, your collision probably caused damage to several expensive electronics. Locational fee. The destination fee is one of Tesla's true hidden costs. On Tesla's website, this issue isn't adequately covered. You must pay this money to get your Tesla delivered right to your home or other designated location. No matter what state you live in, what model you choose, or what extra features you get, it costs $1,200. This appears to be the case only if you pay in full for the car up front. Otherwise, the fee is incorporated into the monthly lease or loan payment. Purchase charge. Get ready for an acquisition fee if you're leasing a Tesla. According to Tesla's website, this is a $695 lease-only fee. Once again, it was difficult to locate this fee. You can see it in terms of your lease calculator's fine print at the bottom. If you were wondering, this fee is included in the due at signing sum. So, that's it for today's topic.